Hello and welcome to Rio de Janeiro, a city pulsating with life where the rhythm of samba fills the air and the spirit of carioca culture thrives. Nestled between lush mountains and the vast Atlantic Ocean, Rio's beauty is as captivating as its infectious energy. Over the next few moments, allow me to be your guide as we journey through Rio's iconic landmarks and uncover some of its hidden gems. From the heights of Sugarloaf Mountain to the vibrant mosaic steps of Selarón, get ready to experience the magic of Rio de Janeiro. Our journey begins high above the city, where the sprawl of Rio de Janeiro unfolds before us in all its glory. Like a precious jewel, Rio shimmers under the Brazilian sun. The deep blue of the Atlantic laps gently at the coastline, embracing the city. Look closely and you'll see the iconic curves of Copacabana and Ipanema beaches, ribbons of golden sand where life unfolds at a leisurely pace. Dominating the Rio skyline, arms outstretched in a gesture of peace and welcome, stands Christ the Redeemer. This iconic statue, perched atop Corcovado Mountain, symbolizes Rio's enduring spirit and hope, visible from every corner of the city. As we ascend, the cityscape sprawls beneath us, revealing the scale of this vibrant metropolis. From this vantage point, we appreciate the harmonious blend of nature and urban life. The statue, crafted from concrete and soapstone, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and faith. Gazing out at the breathtaking panorama, one can't help but feel a sense of wonder. Our next destination takes us to another of Rio's iconic landmarks, Sugarloaf Mountain. Rising dramatically from the Guanabara Bay, Sugarloaf Mountain offers unparalleled views of the city and its surroundings. To reach the summit, we embark on a journey aboard the famed cable cars, glass-walled capsules that glide effortlessly through the air. As we ascend, the city unfolds below us in a breathtaking panorama. The iconic beaches, the vibrant neighborhoods, the lush green mountains, all come into view, creating a tapestry of color and life. The air is alive with anticipation as we draw closer to the summit, eager to witness the full splendor of Rio from this unique vantage point. No trip to Rio would be complete without experiencing the legendary beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema. These stretches of golden sand are more than just places to soak up the sun. They are vibrant hubs of carioca culture, where life unfolds at a leisurely pace. The air thrums with the rhythmic beat of samba, while vendors hawk refreshing coconut water and caipirinhas, Brazil's national cocktail. Copacabana and Ipanema offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Rio. Leaving behind the bustling beaches, we venture into the heart of Santa Teresa, a historic neighborhood perched atop one of Rio's many hills. Here, time seems to move at a slower pace, and the air is filled with the charm of a bygone era. Cobblestone streets wind their way through a maze of colorful colonial mansions, many now home to art galleries, boutique shops, and charming cafes. The bohemian spirit is palpable in Santa Teresa, a haven for artists and intellectuals drawn to the neighborhood's creative energy and amazing atmosphere. Dive into tranquility at the Aquário Marinho do Rio, South America's largest marine aquarium. Nestled in the heart of Rio, this aquatic wonderland showcases the vibrant marine life of Brazilian waters and beyond. As we wander through the vast glass tunnels, we are surrounded by the serene beauty of colorful coral reefs, majestic sharks, and playful sea turtles. Each exhibit is a mesmerizing glimpse into the underwater world, offering a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. With over 8,000 animals from 350 different species, Aquário Marinho do Rio is a place where the wonders of the ocean come to life, captivating visitors of all ages. Perched high above the city, Mirante Dona Marta offers one of the most breathtaking panoramic views in Rio de Janeiro. This popular lookout point, situated 362 meters above sea level, provides a stunning vantage to admire the sprawling metropolis below. From here, the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue, Sugarloaf Mountain, and the shimmering coastline come together in a spectacular visual symphony. As you stand at the edge, the cityscape unfolds in a mesmerizing dance of lights and colors, capturing the essence of Rio's vibrant spirit. Whether visiting at sunrise or sunset, Mirante Dona Marta is a must-see destination for anyone seeking to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of this incredible city. Nestled in the heart of Rio de Janeiro lies the tranquil Rodrigo de Freitas Lagoon, a serene escape from the city's vibrant energy, encircled by lush green hills and bordered by the neighborhoods of Ipanema, Leblon, and Jardim Botanico. This picturesque lagoon is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Rodrigo de Freitas Lagoon is a true gem where the beauty of nature and the rhythm of Rio come together in perfect harmony. No visit to Rio would be complete without a stop at the legendary Maracanã Stadium, a true temple of football built for the 1950 FIFA World Cup. This colossal arena has witnessed some of the most unforgettable moments in football history. With a capacity of nearly 80,000 passionate fans, Maracanã has hosted legendary matches, including the 2014 World Cup final and the 2016 Olympic Games opening ceremony. This iconic venue is more than just a stadium. It's a symbol of Brazil's deep-rooted love for the beautiful game, a place where dreams are made and history is written. Rising majestically over Rio de Janeiro, Pedra da Gávea is a mountain shrouded in legend and mystery. This colossal granite monolith stands at over 2,700 feet, making it one of the highest coastal cliffs in the world. But it's not just the height that makes Pedra da Gávea special. It's the enigmatic carvings on its face that have fueled countless myths and theories. Some believe these markings are the work of ancient civilizations, while others think they are natural formations. Whether you're an adventurer looking for a challenging hike or a dreamer captivated by the unknown, Pedra da Gávea offers an experience like no other. Nestled in the heart of Rio de Janeiro stands a modern marvel of faith and architecture, the Rio de Janeiro Cathedral, also known as the Metropolitan Cathedral of Saint Sebastian. Designed by architect Edgar Fonseca, this towering structure takes the form of a futuristic pyramid, blending traditional religious symbolism with contemporary design. Its four massive glass windows stretch from floor to ceiling, casting a mesmerizing interplay of light and color throughout the interior. The cathedral can accommodate up to 20,000 people, making it a significant cultural and spiritual hub for the city. As we step inside, the serene atmosphere and stunning visual elements invite reflection and awe, offering a peaceful sanctuary amidst the bustling urban landscape. Our exploration of Rio's artistic side continues as we arrive at the Selarón steps, a testament to one man's vision and creativity. This iconic staircase, connecting the neighborhoods of Lapa and Santa Teresa, is a spectacular combination of color and texture. The 215-step staircase is covered in over 2,000 colorful tiles from more than 60 countries, making it a stunning piece of public art. Escaping the urban jungle, we venture into the heart of Tijuca National Park, a sprawling green oasis nestled within the city limits. This remarkable feat of reforestation stands as a testament to nature's resilience and the power of human intervention. Towering trees form a massive canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and creating a sense of tranquility. Waterfalls cascade down rocky outcrops, their soothing sounds filling the air. Hidden within this urban jungle are hiking trails, scenic viewpoints, and historical monuments, offering a glimpse into Rio's natural and cultural heritage. As dust settles over Rio, we find ourselves in Lapa, the city's nightlife epicenter, a place where the rhythm of samba pulses through the streets and the energy is palpable. Historic buildings come alive with the sounds of music and laughter. Lapa is a place where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate, to dance, to sing, and to lose themselves in the music. From traditional samba clubs to lively street parties, Lapa offers a taste of Rio's legendary nightlife, a sensory overload that will leave you exhilarated and wanting more. While Copacabana and Ipanema may steal the limelight, Rio is home to a hidden gem, a secluded paradise tucked away from the city's hustle and bustle, the Prainha Beach. Accessible only by a winding road through the rainforest, Prainha feels a world away from the urban sprawl. It is a favorite spot for surfers and nature lovers seeking a peaceful escape from the city's busier shores. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, the beach offers plenty of space to relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy the breathtaking views. Nestled in the heart of Rio de Janeiro, the Real Gabinete, Português de Leitura, is a hidden gem of literary history. This stunning library houses over 350,000 volumes, making it a paradise for book lovers and history enthusiasts alike. The architecture is a blend of Gothic and Renaissance styles, creating an atmosphere of timeless elegance. Whether you're here to study, read, or simply marvel at the beauty, the Real Gabinete, Português de Leitura, offers a serene escape from the bustling city outside. Praia do Arpoador is a stunning beach in Rio de Janeiro, famous for its breathtaking sunsets and excellent surfing conditions. Arpoador is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The sunsets here are legendary, with crowds gathering to applaud the sun as it dips below the horizon. The waves crash against the rocks with a mesmerizing force, making it a hotspot for surfers seeking the perfect wave. As the sun begins its final descent, casting a warm glow over the city, we find ourselves at a vantage point high above Rio, ready to bid farewell to this captivating metropolis. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, creating a breathtaking spectacle that perfectly captures the magic of Rio. The city below shimmers in the golden light. The Christ, the Redeemer statue, stands tall, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. From our vantage point, we reflect on the incredible journey we've taken. From the bustling beaches to the tranquil rainforest, Rio de Janeiro has left an indelible mark on our souls, a city that pulsates with life and energy. We encourage you to explore further, to discover your own hidden corners of this captivating metropolis, and to experience the magic of Rio for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, adios.